What's going on, guys? Told you in my post that I did like 2 minutes ago that I was going to upload a Flash game. This is silvergames.com. They have all the dankiest. Today, we're playing Plazma first. Deal with it, you twats. Freaking. This wasn't an ad for Fortnite. I don't know about you guys, but I hate Fortnite. It's just taking over the gaming community. And I know your arguments about, oh, so did Roblox, so did Minecraft. Yeah, those were good games. Sure, you can leave my channel. I don't fucking care. Like, if you like Fortnite, there's not a problem with that. I'm just saying. Well, this is Plazma Burst 2. I've played it a bit before, as you can definitely not see. Boom. Yeah, I've played a bit of it. So, so as you guessed, it is a point-and-click shooter. Well, not really a. No. Oh shit! Oh whoa! You are a soldier. I name myself the Terminator. You are a soldier going in to attack the usurpation units. Disruption. Hold on. There's some people up here. Yeah, right here. Usurpation. Usurpation units and the civil security. Basically, they've sided with these bad alien guys, and you're here to stop them. Alright, we're gonna pistol whip these fuckers. He fell, and you know what? You deserve to be blown up, you fucking asshole. Alright, let's keep going. I'll give you an honorable death. Alright, let's go. I love using the shotgun. The shotgun's my favorite weapon. Alright, there are some people down here. Yeah, there you are. Hutong! Hutwangy! Don't you... don't even, bro. See that? Yeah, I blew your head off. So I'll do to all you Fortnite players. Alright. There we go. Okay. In the arms of an angel. Okay. Yeah, and then you got these sick blades, and you can do like barrel rolls. Alright. And throw down a grenade, and you do sick. Yeah, we're just gonna skip ahead. I played a bit of this. You know the basics now. Alright, we got him. These are androids. They were built by the usurpation units, or usurpation soldiers. Don't even. Yeah, boom! They were built by them to help the civil security, and resulting in war against whatever faction I'm in. I guess a rebellion of sorts, I suppose. But yeah, I'm here to take them out, and if I don't, I might die. Woo! Woo! Haha. Correct. Scrubs. Alright. We go, alright. Croissant. You're gonna finish that croissant? Memes. They are the pinnacle of internet these days. Can't tell me what to do. Oh shit. Oh fuck. You know he's dead. Alright, we need our utmost agility. Oh, climb. Fuck! It's cool. You know, It's all good. It's all good. The point of this game is, yeah, basically you have to help whatever foundation or whatever corporation, the rebellion, I guess, of this alien race taking over. And they claim they're civil security units. I highly doubt it. But they're probably like in cahoots. They're in cahoots with the aliens, obviously. But yeah, they built the androids to kill the rebellion and shit like that. And the rebellion just don't want aliens because aliens tried to take over Earth countless of times. You remember Half-Life? Yeah, the fucking aliens. Well, those were aliens because of aliens. They, they came here because of a subspecies of alien known as G-Man in Files. At least that's what I got off of Matt Pat. Great theorist. I suggest you go watch him before I tell you any more theories about Half-Life and shit. Oh, no! Oh, fuck. You just blew yourself up, you fucking idiot. Oh, okay. Alright, I just have to remember, get out of here fucking quick. Here we go, and Go, get out! I know this weapon. This is like the equivalent of BFG in Doom. It's fucking great. And I don't even think, like, this weapon is stronger than the RPG, as you can see. Few hits and they're dead. RPG, that was just explosive damage. You know, nothing too special. Pop a few grenades. You know, that'll murder them. You know, see. You know, fucking. Don't listen when I say murder. Murder. I gotta get out. Hey, what's up, guys? Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Vanos here. Heavy Sauce, Michael here. Ah, okay, they're dead. Oh, that was all of them, at least. Jesus. Wow. Don't know what that did. Probably did something up here. Okay. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, guys, the recording cut out there for a second. I didn't move on anywhere. There's the dead body we killed just like a few seconds earlier. How do we get up there? Oh, wait, I think we have to go down below here. Yeah, I think that, yeah, son of a bitch. Going up here is just pointless. Whoa! Hell yeah. Alright, let's move. Alright. If I remember correctly, there was a guy down there, and then we died, so he's gone. No, it doesn't fucking matter. Ouch. But, alright, as I was saying earlier about the rebellion and shit. Ah, there they are! Hey, oh, hey guys. Heavy Sauce, Michael's here. Bye. Anyway. Guys. Alright. These androids were also built for, like, deeper facilities and research and shit. I know. Oh, shit, I alerted them. These androids are a lot tougher. Yeah, like, they have more constitution than they do dexterity, like the others. Like, they can take 2 hits, I think, from this on AoE effects instead of, like, 1. And can take, like, 1 or 2 of direct hits. So I just gotta keep that in mind. Here we go. I know down here should be something. A water, yes. No. Skip it up, pop, pop. Chicken up, pop, pop. Alright, here we go. Okay. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Me, motherfucker. Whoa! Woohoo! Oh shit. I've unleashed. Yeah, these guys. These guys. Okay. Alright. Fuck. Boom! Bitches. Get out the way. Woohoo. Alright. I'm gonna try to finish this level. If not, I'll make another video on it. Probably tomorrow.
I'd like my television, please.
Alright, give me a second. Anyway, I'll see you all later.